ROMEO the professor. So I want to do this video for you, and as you can see, I have Alchemy Pay here 5,000 and I have DAI 15,000. So I said 4 coins that I'm going to buy is Alchemy Pay, Audius, Rari, and Avalanche. So as you can see here, Alchemy Pay right now is at 12 cents. It used to be at 20. It went up. So I'm going to be bullish in it and convert about, $3,000 in it. So right here, I just now converted $3,000. And if it drop, I will put another 3,000, meaning if it dropped to 9 cents, I'm gonna put 3,000. If it drops to 8 cents, I'm gonna do 3,000. So in other words, I'm putting 3,000 in regardless. My name is ROMEO the Professor. You can subscribe, share, follow, but Alchemy Pay, I'm on it. As you can see, this DAI that I have at 12,000, eventually all of that will be in Alchemy Pay. I'm just waiting for it. I'm ROMEO the Professor. Thank you. I am out. Follow Sir